Hello everybody, today we are going to study Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve. The main purpose to study this curve is to explain the effect of temperature on reaction rate. This is a Maxwell-Boltzmann kinetic energy distribution graph at different temperature T1 and T2. T2 with higher temperature than T1. Axis Y represents fraction of molecule having a certain kinetic energy, while axis X represents kinetic energy. The blue graph represents lower temperature, while the red graph represents higher temperature. Area under each curve represents total number of molecules in the reaction. So, the total area under the blue graph represents total number of molecules at lower temperature. And the total area under red graph represents total number of molecules at higher temperature. When temperature is increased, molecules absorb heat. So, kinetic energy of molecule increase. And the number of molecules with kinetic energy same with or greater than activation energy will increase. Now, let's look at the blue graph, the graph with lower temperature. This area, the area below the blue graph, this area, that means the blue area represents number of molecules with kinetic energy greater than or same with activation energy. This area, the blue area only, represent number of molecules with kinetic energy greater than or same with activation energy at lower temperature. While at higher temperature, number of molecules with kinetic energy same with or greater than activation energy will increase. This is the number of molecules represented by all this area here. All this area here. Include the blue area, the red and the blue area. All this area here represent number of molecules with kinetic energy greater than or same with activation energy at higher temperature. So, from the graph, we can see with very clear that when temperature is increased, more molecules will have kinetic energy same with or greater than activation energy. When number of molecules with kinetic energy greater than or same with activation energy, the frequency of effective collision increase and the reaction rate is increased. So, conclusion is, at higher temperature, kinetic energy of molecule increase, frequency of effective collision increase, and the reaction rate increase. And thank you.